5:36 and Jason just left for work. And look what we have. We have a baby. It's completely out. So we'll see if any more is teeping. So it's now 6:16 and that one right there is hatching. This little guy's doing good. Standing up, walking around, starting to dry off a little bit. And there's one over here. You can probably see it. It's that one right there. That one we have to watch because it has a pip. So that means the chicken has started creating a hole. And now it has to unzip the egg, so it has to go around the entire shell, kind of like how this one did, and crack it open. So since this one has already opened, that one, we have to start counting down the days, because if it goes longer than a certain time period, we may have to intervene. I don't normally intervene with hatching, but in the event that, you know, a chick may be stuck to the side wall of the egg, it can have a difficult time unzipping the egg properly. So we just kind of keep an eye on it, kind of watch the humidity so it doesn't create like a shrink wrap effect. A lot of times the chick will start pipping and then it will get tired and need to rest, and also it has a yolk sac that it absorbs within itself before it's able to hatch. Look at this little guy over here moving around. So
look at the egg.
I know. So you just have to kind of let it do its thing, keep an eye on it, watch it, because this has been going on. That pip has been there since before 5:30 this morning.
That was awake. I was trying to get myself a drink.
Yeah, I know. Dad woke me up and said, your chicken's hatched, because last night he even said, are these supposed to ever hatch? And I said, tomorrow's the day. They're supposed to hatch tomorrow. And sure enough, this morning he woke up and he said, I thought there was a bird in the house. And this little guy was there. But this one's doing really good. Moving around, walking around. And then that one right there with the lights on, we have to sit here and just kind of watch it. It is, I don't even know what time it is. What time is it? It is 12:01 exactly. So it's just after 12 o'clock noon. So we're going to keep an eye on it and then kind of go from there.
Well,
look, we named Carly.
Sunny Day.
What did we name it?
Sunny Day.
Sunny. Yeah, it is. What time is it? It's almost 7. It's 6:58. So it's been like 12 hours. That guy is still doing good. But that one that's had the pip on it this morning is not moving. So we're gonna try to help him. So he's not moving. So we're gonna try to help him. So I'm going to
Don't try.
Careful.
Don't try to smash
Careful,
it.
SpongeBob, careful.
Y'all are not helping me.
Careful, 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 careful. You didn't break the membrane.
No, I don't want to break the membrane. Because I'm trying to see how veiny it is.
Not that big. That little guy's doing good. Oh, hold on. He is so tired. No,
What, did it move?
I thought it did.
I'm gonna
But
put some.
it could be my eyes playing tricks on me. Because I really want this guy to live. She's gonna kick. Tonight she's gonna kick. She's gonna kick tonight. Stop kicking. Nancy, stop. Okay. Talk to her.
Hey, look at her face!
Are you just selling that?
Okay, ready, shoot, one, go. Go, Paula. Go. Go.
She stepped in the milk, so he gets a treat tonight. Is that good?
Ow, my God. Probably didn't do that barefoot.
Good job, buddy. Is that good? You happy?
So why take the shots?
Is that good? Dina, you want some? Oh, thank you for the kisses right in the face. Okay. Alrighty. They had fun with the corn.
Stuck in the tree again, dude.
We have a chicken.
Stuck in the tree.
No, it's not stuck in a tree, but we have a chicken that likes to sleep in the tree. And it's like
Paula.
way high. She's being nice, isn't she? Yeah, she
Remember
is.
the last time Fancy got friendly?
Get the lid and the scooper. Caden, get the other one.
Turn it. Like you want it.
Okay.
Let's see both goats. They're smart.
Put something in it, Sodom.
Okay.
Same thing about goats. They can fly.
All right, go. Crank it.
Stella's like,
Hi, Stella.
Hi.
Ow, Stella! That hurt.
Back down, my goat. Back down. Back down. Back down.
Alright, let it
Thank
go.
you.
See how tight it is.
I don't know if this is gonna work or not. This is gonna move. You should have done it around the front of the thing.
No.
This is my Wiley.
Fat.
She's been fat.
No.
Stella. Dad.
Go. Don't.
Jimbo.
Grab her ears. They don't like that. Athena.
There's some water in the blue bucket. Just to let you know.
Here.
Look who's back in the tree. Daddy, look up.
We had a little problem with our chickens. We got some chickens off the internet, some eggs off the internet, and for some reason, I don't know why, none of them hatched except for one. So we have one. Yay! Which is a really horrible hatch rate because we have had really good success in the past, but not this time. So let's go check on the chickens now. The little chicks. Where is he? Yep, there he is. That little guy right there. This little guy right here. Where is he? That one. No, there's a fly in here. Go get the fly trap. This little guy right here is the one we hatched. And so he's going to be a cream leg bar. And then we have a barred rock. I can't pronounce it. I think this one is the, what's it called? Laken Vetter. I can't pronounce it. Maybe. I don't know. Blue Australorp. We have Copper Maron, which they lay the chocolate colored eggs. Then we have a Sicilian Buttercup, which is that guy. Ow! Don't peg me. Okay, that one is the Sicilian Buttercup, this one right here. And then we have a Barnvelder. I can't pronounce. I don't know how to pronounce those two. Yeah, I'm gonna look it up. But now it's our nighttime routine with them, so we're gonna add some more bedding in here, get them fresh water, clean out their water because it's a little messy, and get them ready for bed. But all of these didn't hatch from our incubator, only that guy did, that cream leg bar, and I felt bad for him because he was just like screaming by himself. So we went to town for a feed and we came back with 6 more. Yeah.
So we have 7.
That's what Jason gets for telling me I can get one chick to have a friend for the other chick. I come home with 6. Chicken math. Hey, we need to move this. Can you pause that?
Yeah, is it dry?
It's dry. We need to move this over there and get these books on them.
Right now.
But we need to vacuum and get all this stuff.
Still missing the 3 twins of these,
Okay, we'll look for it, okay?
but it's have this.
Okay, we'll look for it, okay?
This one is it? No. This one is the hippo.